Everything is becoming darker. We are all going into the dark. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of going into the dark.
Don't put me in the dark. I'm afraid of the dark.
The honorable thing for our species to do is deny our programming. Stop reproducing. Walk hand in hand into extinction. One last midnight, brothers and sisters opting out of a raw deal. Who's gonna do it then? Who's gonna kill me?
Please kill me.
Do it.
I've come to the conclusion that we're the problem. Human beings, all of us. The cycle can't be broken as long as we're here.
I'm going to break the wheel.
You think better days are ahead. But that's not true. There is no light at the end of the tunnel. There's only the tunnel.
I need it to stop.
You have to come.
You need what to stop?
I need everything to stop. People, life.
This life, it ain't romantic or free. There's no path to anything that makes any sense. It's just dirty and sad.
I just know there's something dark